What time is it? Is it Christmas? Is it cookie eat time? Let's see. Alrighty, there's that. See if I can get it to stand up right. Here we go. What do I have in this bag? Well, you gotta put on your hat first. Is it cookie eat time? Is it? Is it? It is. What do I get? Mwah. Ready to put on your hat? Ready to put on your hat? Cookie eat time, you gotta wear the hat. Come on. You gotta wear your hat. You know it's cookie eat time. When it's cookie eat time to wear the hat. We just tuck it underneath your halter because it's easier that way. Now, who's the Christmas pony? Yeah, it's cookie eat time, isn't it? Mwah! Merry Christmas! Mwah! Mwah! Blessed Yule! Mwah! Just give me the damn cookies and quit telling me stuff. You want this? Just a second, I gotta open it. Dinner bread. Good for me. Let's get those baby wipes. Hold on. Can you just lick my fingers, please? Thank you. How about this one? This is all sugary. I'm going to borrow your water then. Yeah, ice. Okay. Now, you have not been fed yet, and you have not been cleaned yet. Yes. Ah! Stop. Mwah! You may want to check out what's in your stocking. It's got a stocking too, you know. What's in your stocking? A peppermint? Hold on. Now let me clean, alright? You want your stocking? You're a silly boy. You're a silly boy. Can I have my hat back? Can I have my hat? Yeah? Can I take it? He goes, no, as long as I'm wearing the hat, it's cookie eat time. You're a dork. Come over here. Come over here to the camera and say Merry Christmas. Come here. Just hang on. Don't you dare fill your mouth full of water and dump it on me. Come say Merry Christmas to the camera. Hey, over here. Merry Christmas! Good boy.